Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to deposit a check on Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to deposit a check on Cash App, you need to first of all endorse the check. So take clear photos of both sides and then enter the amount and submit the deposit within the app. So this will allow you to deposit your check on Cash App. So if you want to know about it in detail, you need to simply sign the back of your check with your name. Consider writing for mobile deposit only below your signature. Then open the Cash App and tap on Cash tab. Then simply select Deposit Check. Place the check on dark solid surface and use the app's camera to take good picture of it. Then if the amount isn't automatically detected, enter the amount of the check. Simply confirm the deposit details and submit the check deposit. Allow up to 7 days for the check to be posted. Now you need to keep the original check for a period of time to ensure the check is posted. So this is how you can simply deposit a check on Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.